take a look at this video. Have you come across this drilling machine before? Watch how deep this drilling machine can go to drill a hole. It's still going. Watch. So now it rotate. They rotate to drill the hole, and the sand go inside the machine, or inside the bucket. Because it's like a bucket. When the machine is drilling, all the whole sand go enter inside the bucket. Then the machine go pull after the bucket don't full. So watch. Wow. So now time to throw away.